guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock GB WhatsApp without requiring a password or pattern. As you can see, GB WhatsApp, it's locked. You require a passcode so that you can log in. So I'm going to show you how to go past that lock and read the messages without inserting the lock, the key password. So all we have to do is to go to contacts, and select whoever you want to text. Nope. So we are going to text Kai David. So remember, the GB WhatsApp, it's locked. So this is another way to go through it. So we select messaging Kai and direct, we are in the inbox without requiring the passcode. So that's it. As you can see, it is the same GB WhatsApp that requires a passcode so that you can text someone. So thank you for watching.